Hi everybody, welcome to Audrey's Southern Cooking. My name is Nita, and today we are on our second week of Christmas cookies. It's gonna be so exciting. So what are we gonna cook today? Let's see. All right, today we're gonna make jam-filled butter cookies. So I have a bowl to mix, 2 egg yolks. Then we have a cup and a half of soft butter, so it's pretty soft. Then we're gonna have 1 3/4 cup of flour. So I've already went ahead and sifted that. A half a cup of sugar. And once the cookies are done, then we're gonna fill it with preserves, or you can do jam. I have my muscadine jelly. As you can see, I've been eating out of the jar. So let's get started on making these. All right, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna put our 2 egg yolks. I've separated those from the whites, our butter, and then we're gonna put in our sugar. And we're just gonna cream those together. And I'm gonna just use this spoon. We're just gonna use this spoon here and go mixing and mixing. Just kind of chopping up that big sugar. All right, now that I've got this all kind of creamed together, we're just gonna add a little flour at a time to it until a soft dough forms. All right, so I had used my hands because it was honestly easier to roll the dough in the bowl once it got started mixing in. So now what we're gonna do, bring our pan over. I've already got parchment paper on it. I'm gonna try the scoop first, but I did try it without the scoop a minute ago and it worked great. Basically, you're just gonna roll a ball and you're gonna set this on your parchment paper. But I'm gonna show you how to do this. I'm not a very good ball roller. It always kind of comes out kind of not so pretty. But once you do this, you're gonna take a finger or something round like your finger. And you're gonna poke a hole right down the center. Don't go all the way through it, just down in there. And that is where you're gonna put your jam. I like the size of that. So we're gonna scoop it with this. Pull out any extra. I do like the size of that. I'm gonna roll it. Put it about 1 inch or so apart, maybe 2 inches. Poke your finger right in the center. And that's all we're gonna do. So I'm gonna get these rolled out and then we will be almost ready to put them in the oven. All right, so I've got a dozen of these done. What I'm going to do here is fill these in. I have just a little bit more dough. It's supposed to make 36 cookies. So I may have made these too big, but we're gonna find out when they're cooked. So you're gonna take about 1/2 teaspoon, about 1/2 teaspoon it says, but we're gonna see how much it holds. And it's not gonna hold that much. So I'm just gonna kind of push it in there. So it's actually on these particular cookies are holding about 1/4 cup. I'm gonna chop some up. Maybe I should have took some out and put a little bit in a bowl and chopped it a little bit. You know how jelly is. Look at that. Just like that. That's what I need to do. All right, so I'm gonna finish filling these and then we'll be right back. All right, look how pretty these have looked so far. All right, these are gonna go into the oven at 375, and they're gonna bake about 8 to 10 minutes. So I've had my oven preheating this whole time, so it is ready to go. So let's move the camera so you can see me put them in the oven. All right, here they are out of the oven. I'm gonna move them over. I just wanted you to see them. And they are beautiful little brown on the bottom. See the beautiful little brown? And we're just gonna transfer them over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these over here. I'm gonna finish cooking the little bit of dough I have left, and then we'll come back. All right, welcome back to the counter. These are all the cookies I was able to get. I think I need this a little bit, make them a little bit smaller, but that's okay. We're good. I don't mind this size right here. What I thought I would do is take a little bit of powdered sugar, my little strainer, and just because we're kind of going with the Christmas theme. So I just wanted a little bit of snow action here. And you don't have to put this on there at all. You can put a little bit, or you can put a lot. All right, let's do a taste test. All right, welcome back to the counter. Your cookies smell delicious. That is so gorgeous, y'all. Look. And little brown bottoms. All right. Which one do I try? I think I'll try I like some sweet, so we're gonna go with the most powdered sugar. All right. It smells so good. It's really melty. It's just like, almost don't have to chew it. It just melts right in your mouth. Let me take one more bite. We've got to get some of that jam in there, that muscadine. Well, it's really jelly, but. Uh-oh. You don't put very much sugar there. It's mostly butter with a little flour. So that's why it kind of melts in your mouth. There's a really light texture. But eating that little bit of jam in there gives it a little bit more sweet. Those are really good. Those are really good. So you can take this recipe, whatever jelly, jam, preserves you want to put in the center. Strawberry would be really good. You can mix them up. What I might want to do is do some mint jelly, or maybe some pepper jelly. Pepper jelly would be really good. Give it a little bit of heat. A little bit of heat with that little bit of sweet. Oh, that would be really good. You can do peach preserves. Oh, that'd be good. Just whatever flavors you want. Take this recipe, make it for Christmas. Give it for gifts. If you want to order some and you don't want to make them, just order some. Give me an email. Shoot me an email. It's at audrey'ssoutherncooking@gmail.com. It'll be in the description down below. Link me, tell me you want to buy some. Any of these cookies that we're doing for Christmas will be available for purchase if you want them. you just let me know and I will send you some right away. All right, I appreciate y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and share it with your friends. Make sure everybody sees that we're doing 8 weeks of cookies. You never know, I might throw a little extra video in there somewhere between now and Christmas, because I'm trying to give you some gift ideas that you can do if you want to do some baking, because I know a lot of people don't have a lot of money. This was really cheap to do. Like I said, it's a stick and a half of butter. That's your most expensive ingredient, is your butter and your jelly. It just takes like a half a teaspoon. So a jar of jelly would go forever. So whatever flavors you want, or jam, or if you make your own things, like I did with the muscadine, use that. Just make this recipe your own. You don't have to put the powdered sugar on top. I just did it as kind of a snowy look because we're going with Christmas themes. All right, if y'all have any questions, if you have any suggestions on cookies, or you just want to say hello, how you doing? You just send that in a comment down below. Give me a smiley face. Let me know that you're watching. So that would be great. And don't forget, if y'all want to help support my channel, there's a link in the bottom. There's a PayPal link and a Venmo link where you can help support my channel. And I will give you a shout out in our next video and every video for the month of November, the rest of November and December, letting y'all know that y'all have supported my channel and helped me buy supplies so we can get these cookie recipes out and any other recipes that we have. All right, thank y'all so much, and don't forget to share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.